Welcome back in my friend's workshop. Okay, we're ready to give it a try. We start by selecting our IFO. Imagine that I would do a weld of about a 4mm carbon steel plate with a 1.0mm solid wire and set up my machine probably at 150-160 amps. My desired flow is 12 liters per minute. Therefore, I am selecting the IFO labeled E12. I connect my E12 IFO to my gas hose. I connect the IFO to the cylinder. Plug and play, easy and quick. I position the arm in the echo position. I take my torch, connect it to the digital gas flow meter. I pull the trigger and I see my flow reading is 12 liters per minute. Nice. A quick double check, connecting a E15 IFO, which should give me a flow at a torch of 15 liters per minute. Disconnecting the E12 IFO. Connecting the E15 IFO to my gas hose. Putting the power arm in the echo position. I connect the digital flow meter to the shroud of the welding torch. I pull the trigger of the torch, and what do I see? I read exactly 15 liters per minute flow. All works fine. We can start welding. But before I do, remember, we will bring you other webcasts soon talking about the other features being surge protection and flow consistency, as well as the integrated information functionalities. Thanks and see you soon.